Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily remove the rear bumper on a Toyota Camry 25. First, open the trunk. On each side, you'll find two screws that need to be removed. Once that's done, we move to the inner section because the bumper is secured not only from the outside. Next, remove the plastic trim. It's held in place by clips, usually around 3. Carefully take them out to get access inside. After that, you'll see bolts, typically 2 or 3 on each side. These also need to be unscrewed. Let me show you how it looks on this car. Once all the fasteners on both sides are removed, you can proceed with taking off the bumper. Keep in mind, in my case, the lower mounts were broken and the upper inner mounts were missing. On your car, they might still be there, so make sure to remove them as well. After that, the bumper comes off pretty easily. Thanks for watching.